Are you feeling overwhelmed by clutter in your home? It's easy for things to pile up over time, making it hard to find space for what truly matters. Whether it's your living room, kitchen, bedroom, or garage, an organized space can make all the difference in reducing stress and boosting productivity. In this guide, we'll explore essential products and clever organization strategies that can help you declutter and transform your home into a more functional, peaceful environment. You can find pricing information for each product in the description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. So, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Mshomli 4-Pack Bed Sheet Organizers. Keep your bedding organized with the Mshomli 4-Pack Bed Sheet Organizers. Perfect for storing flat sheets, fitted sheets, and pillowcases, they're made from breathable fabric to keep your linens fresh. The clear window design makes it easy to spot what you need, and they fit perfectly in closets, drawers, or shelves. Say goodbye to clutter with these practical storage solutions. Number 2. Yita Home Assembly Shoe Rack. Organize your footwear with ease using the Yita Home Assembly Shoe Rack. This sturdy, easy-to-assemble rack holds multiple pairs of shoes, keeping them off the floor and neatly stored. Its compact design makes it perfect for small spaces, while the durable frame ensures long-lasting use. Keep your shoes in check with this efficient storage solution. Number 3. Joseph Ironing Board. Ironing just got easier with the Joseph Ironing Board. Featuring a space-saving, foldable design, this board offers ample surface area for pressing clothes. Its sturdy frame ensures stability, and the heat-resistant cover makes it safe and efficient. A must-have for anyone looking to make ironing a breeze. Number 4. Fokifolk Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. Maximize your cabinet space with the Fokifolk Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. Perfect for organizing pots, pans, and kitchen accessories, this pull-out rack gives you easy access to your items. The smooth glide design ensures effortless use, while the sturdy construction guarantees long-lasting organization. Keep your kitchen neat with this must-have organizer. Number 5. Samart Collapsible Laundry Basket. Make laundry day easier with the Samart Collapsible Laundry Basket. This space-saving basket expands to hold your laundry and folds flat for convenient storage. Its durable design and handles make it easy to carry, while the lightweight frame adds to its portability. Ideal for small spaces, it helps keep laundry manageable. Number 6. Sleek Socket Original and Patented Ultra-Thin Outlet Concealer. Keep your outlets neat and safe with the Sleek Socket Ultra-Thin Outlet Concealer. This sleek and innovative design covers unsightly outlets, blending seamlessly into your wall. Its slim profile allows it to fit under furniture or tight spaces. A must-have for creating a clean, modern look in any room. Number 7. Soda Can Dispenser. Keep your soda cans organized with the Soda Can Dispenser. This convenient dispenser holds multiple cans and dispenses them easily, ensuring you always have a can ready to go. The sleek, space-saving design fits in any fridge or pantry, making it the perfect storage solution for your favorite beverages. Number 8. Utopia Kitchen Rolling Egg Container. Store your eggs safely and efficiently with the Utopia Kitchen Rolling Egg Container. This container holds up to 14 eggs, and the rolling feature ensures easy access. Keep your eggs fresh and prevent breakage with this practical, space-saving design. A must-have for any kitchen. Number 9. V-Top Mart Stackable Storage Drawers. Maximize your storage space with V-Top Mart Stackable Storage Drawers. Perfect for organizing small items, these drawers are made of clear plastic, making it easy to see what's inside. The stackable design lets you customize your storage, while the sturdy build ensures long-lasting use. Keep everything in its place with these versatile drawers. Number 10. SpaceLead Slim Storage Cart. Optimize small spaces with the SpaceLead Slim Storage Cart. This narrow cart slides effortlessly into tight spots, offering extra storage for your kitchen, bathroom, or office. With multiple shelves, it helps keep your items organized and accessible. Its compact size and durable design make it a must-have for any home. Number 11. Pink Pump Stackable Storage Basket. Organize your home with the Pink Pump Stackable Storage Basket. These durable baskets are perfect for storing toys, books, or household items. The stackable design saves space while keeping everything within reach. Available in a variety of sizes, they're a practical and stylish solution for your home storage needs. Number 12. Decava Under Sink Organizer. Keep your bathroom or kitchen neat with the Decava Under Sink Organizer. Perfect for organizing cleaning supplies, toiletries, and kitchen essentials, this durable organizer fits neatly under most sinks. Its easy-to-access design ensures you'll never have to dig through clutter again. Keep your space organized with this handy under-sink organizer. Number 13. Aogezer Toilet Paper Holder Stand. The Aogezer Toilet Paper Holder Stand is the perfect addition to any bathroom. With a sleek, modern design, it holds multiple rolls of toilet paper and provides extra storage for toiletries. Its freestanding design makes it easy to move, while the sturdy base ensures stability. Keep your bathroom organized with this stylish stand. Number 14. Olerhike storage bins with lid store, and organize your items with Olerhike storage bins with lids. These sturdy, stackable bins are perfect for storing everything from clothes to toys. The included lids keep your items dust-free, while the clear design lets you see what's inside. Keep your home clutter-free with these practical storage bins. Number 15. Joyroom magnetic cable clips. Tired of tangled cables? The Joyroom magnetic cable clips keep your cords organized and within reach. These easy-to-use clips securely hold cables in place, preventing tangles and damage. With a sleek, modern design, they're perfect for home or office use. Say goodbye to cluttered cables with these magnetic clips. Number 16. V-Top Mart storage containers. Keep your food fresh and organized with V-Top Mart storage containers. These airtight containers come in multiple sizes, making them perfect for storing dry food, snacks, or leftovers. The clear design allows you to see what's inside, while the secure lids keep contents fresh longer. A must-have for any kitchen. Number 17. Roof-A-Clear acrylic shelf dividers. Organize your shelves with ease using Roof-A-Clear acrylic shelf dividers. These sturdy dividers keep your items separated and tidy, whether in your closet, kitchen, or office. The clear acrylic design ensures they blend seamlessly with any decor, while their durable construction guarantees long-lasting use. Number 18. Storage Works under bed shoe storage. Store your shoes neatly and efficiently with the Storage Works under bed shoe storage. This convenient storage solution fits easily under most beds, holding multiple pairs of shoes in an organized manner. Its durable, breathable fabric keeps your shoes fresh, while the clear top lets you quickly see what's inside. A must-have for shoe lovers. Number 19. Discovery Stackable Fridge Organizer Bins. Maximize your fridge space with the Discovery Stackable Fridge Organizer Bins. These bins help organize your fridge, keeping food fresh and easy to find. The stackable design allows you to customize your fridge organization, while the clear material makes it easy to identify contents. A great solution for a more organized kitchen. Number 20. Suni Multi-Size Mesh Zipper Pouches. Organize your small items with Suni Multi-Size Mesh Zipper Pouches. These versatile pouches are perfect for toiletries, makeup, office supplies, or travel essentials. The durable mesh allows for visibility, while the strong zippers ensure everything stays secure. Keep your items organized and accessible with these handy pouches. Number 21. XOS Land Cereal Storage Containers. Store your cereal and dry foods in style with XOS Land Cereal Storage Containers. These airtight containers keep your food fresh, while the clear design makes it easy to see what's inside. The stackable design saves space and ensures your pantry is organized. Perfect for any kitchen, they make storing cereal easier and more convenient. Number 22. Comfora Pots and Pans Organizer. Keep your kitchen organized with the Comfora Pots and Pans Organizer. This durable organizer neatly holds your pots and pans, saving space in cabinets or drawers. The adjustable design fits various sizes, while the sturdy frame ensures everything stays in place. A must-have for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen storage. Number 23. LM Body Care Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. Maximize your cabinet space with the LM Body Care Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. This easy-to-install organizer provides extra storage for kitchen items, toiletries, or cleaning supplies. Its smooth pull-out design ensures easy access, and the sturdy construction guarantees long-lasting use. A great way to keep your cabinets tidy and organized. Number 24. Blowroom Over-the-Door Organizer. Make the most of your space with the Blowroom Over-the-Door Organizer. This space-saving solution fits over most doors, providing convenient storage for shoes, accessories, or cleaning supplies. The sturdy design ensures durability, while the easy installation process means you can start organizing right away, a practical addition to any room. Number 25. HWB Full-Length Mirror. Enhance your space with the HWB Full-Length Mirror. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or entryways, this sleek mirror provides a full-body reflection for dressing and grooming. The sturdy frame adds a stylish touch to your decor, while the large surface area makes it ideal for checking your outfit from head to toe. Number 26. V-Top Mart Clear Storage Organizer. Simplify your storage with the V-Top Mart Clear Storage Organizer. Ideal for organizing kitchen, office, or bathroom essentials, these clear bins make it easy to see what's inside. The sturdy construction ensures durability, while the stackable design saves space. Keep your home organized and tidy with this practical solution. Number 27. Spaclear Bottle Organizer. Keep your bottles organized and easily accessible with the Spaclear Bottle Organizer. Perfect for organizing your pantry, kitchen, or bathroom, this organizer holds various bottle sizes. The sleek design fits into any space, and the sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. A great way to reduce clutter and keep your bottles neatly arranged. Number 28. Vegan Adhesive Shower Caddy. Store your bathroom essentials with ease using the Vegan Adhesive Shower Caddy. This waterproof caddy sticks securely to your shower wall, providing ample space for soap, shampoo, and more. The rust-resistant design ensures durability, and the easy installation means you don't need any tools. Keep your shower organized with this practical caddy. Number 29. Eucopia Store Lid Adjustable Food Container. Organize your lids and containers with the Eucopia Store Lid Adjustable Food Container Organizer. This space-saving organizer keeps lids separated and easy to access, while the adjustable design fits most container sizes. Perfect for kitchens that need extra organization, it ensures your food storage items are always in place and within reach. Number 30. SEE Spring Shoe Storage Box. Keep your shoes organized and protected with the SEE Spring Shoe Storage Box. This stackable box features a clear design, allowing you to see your shoes at a glance. The ventilation holes keep them fresh, while the sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. An ideal solution for anyone looking to store shoes neatly and efficiently.